Holy shit, that video is 1 hour long.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to rush through this shit. Look, and also on the screen you can see everything.
Guys, just to let you know, I've got the about to go live. It's got the holding screen up.
Alright.
Alrighty. We'll talk about this later.
Either got it or you don't. Either stand or you fall. When your will is broken and it slips from your hand. When there's no time for joking, there's a hole in the plan. Oh, you don't mean nothing at all to me. Oh, you don't mean nothing at all to me. But you got what it takes to set me free. Oh, you could mean everything to me. I can say that I'm not lost and it falls. I can't say that I don't know that I am alive, and I love what I feel. I could show you tonight, Oh, you don't mean nothing at all to me. Oh, you don't mean nothing at all to me. But you got what it takes to set me free. Oh, you could mean everything to me.
Happened again last night. Took forever.
We jumped.
This market to move up a little bit so I can short it. Or let's see what happens here. Simon, have we gone live yet? I'm sure he will let us know. Okay, let me get my top, bro. It's kind of windy and cold.
Have you ever wondered why I always keep on coming back for more? What have you done to me? I'll never bear the same, I'll tell you for sure.
Yeah, guys, head over to the YouTube. We're about to start.
I'll never bear the same, I'll tell you for sure. You really are my ecstasy. My real life fantasy, oh yeah. You really are my ecstasy. My real life fantasy.
Oh, good morning. Morning, everybody. How's it going? Welcome to day 2, Flow Trading Academy YouTube live stream. Welcome, welcome. Who we got in the house? Who's here, guys? State your name, or forever hold your peace. Nobody. Good start. Good start. Okay, let's wait for other people to jump in. And then we'll get going. Cool. It's there. Execution room is open. The live execution room, guys. Live trading room is there. Make sure you sign up on the free Discord. Get learning and trading with us live every single day. Every single day. Oh, who's that?
Morning.
Morning, Kay.
It's Kay. Hello.
Beautiful, welcome. Okay, let's get straight into it. So here we are looking at gold, GCQ on futures on the Bookmap. For me, at the moment on gold, we're probably just looking a little bit stuck in a range at the moment between 41.75 and 41.40. So we saw during yesterday's session and also overnight, if we just scroll over to the left, we really struggled to break yesterday's lows. Where we did manage to break yesterday's low, we rejected and went straight back in to yesterday's daily range. So it's what you call an inside day today. We're really struggling to break yesterday's low, as you can see here, marked up on spot. So spot price is about 41.2923 on spot. We're around the 41.40. So for those of you that were here yesterday watching, you would have seen a lot of order flow activity at that at yesterday's low, denoted here by this very large passive order being met by very large aggressive selling. The market did manage to rally, and then again we tried to break it here this morning, so about 4 a.m. my time, and failed to do so, and only to close back inside the range. So at the moment, all morning we've just been ranging, balanced market at the moment, just going sideways. So no trade for me right this second. What I'll be looking for though, guys, is if this range can hold and we do start to make our way to the upside, I will be favoring shorts from this little red box you can see here on the spot, around the 41.64s and the 41.75s on the futures. So that will be, for me, just looking to take shorts from up there, because by the looks of this, just on a greater scale, we are in this range. So I'll be looking to short from the highs and buy from the bottom. At the moment, I don't trust buys from this area just here. It's just so choppy. Any sort of buy at the moment is just getting slapped down. Any sort of sell is getting pushed back up. So for now, it's just very much selling your hands time for me at the moment. But yeah, that's where we are at the moment on gold. Hope you guys had a good London session this morning. Hope you had a good Asia session if you trade it. Hope you made some money, or hope you managed your risk if you didn't make any money, because losses do happen. But yeah, let's hope for a good trading session. But that's what we're looking at today. So sells from the highs and then buys on the bottom. What I would love for buys, if we fail to push up from now, what I would like to see is another attempt to break the daily low, and then I want to see aggressive selling start to come in, and then I want to see a passive buyer appear on the footprint, and then I'll be confident enough to take a buy, targeting back inside the range. But at the moment, there's really nothing for me in here. Don't forget, guys, to hit the like button, subscribe, really helps grow the channel. We're posting tons of educational content, specifically on the order flow over the last couple of weeks, and coming days. We'll be making sure to post a lot more for you guys. Lots of free content with a lot of value. What about you, Kay? What are you looking at today?
All right, so first I will go through my chart. I'll show you what I'm looking at, then I'll give you the trade location, basically my trade ideas.
Bear with me, man. Let me
and
share.
stuff like that.
Let me share your screen, bro.
Okay, yeah.
Let me know when you're ready. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Let's go.
Okay, so yesterday we talked about how we're building balance here, and we're looking to get down towards the bottom of this balance, right? Which it did today, and it did not happen yesterday. It happened today. So this is one spot I'm looking at. However, let's just take this off. First, I'm going to go through the chart, then I will show you my trade location and the spots that I'm looking at. So we can see we build some value here, build some value here, and today's value is little bit lower than yesterday's value. Okay, and this value is building within this value. So I'm expecting the same idea as yours. I'm expecting it to drop down towards the lower end of this value. And looking at volume profile, same thing. You can see market came down aggressively and built some value here. So if I can get a sell from around here, I would be really, really happy. If I were to look for a sell from this level, okay, and we have an options level here, so that would be the zone for me. This is the zone. Once market goes there, I'll be looking for short opportunity. If I do see sellers come in, I'll look to enter the market and short it back down to the POC. Okay, let me just quickly mark that for future reference.
So that's 41, 42, right?
That's correct. I will just put the price up for everyone to see. There you go, 4126.30, and I'm looking to short from that range is 4270 to 4510. So about 2.3 handle range, 2.4 handle range on this one. Okay, and also we can see we have some delta divergence coming in, market going down, delta's dropping, so a short would be really nice. And also if I were to look at the delta chart, we are sitting in negative territory. However, looking at the delta chart, the idea kind of changes a little bit. As you can see, if I were to mark the zone where the buyers are, this whole area is dominated by buyers. Okay, let me just color code that for everyone. There you go. And this whole area is dominated by sellers. This whole area. So we are sitting in sell territory at the moment. By the way, another thing, guys, we are sitting in positive gamma regime. What I mean by that, based on options market is going to be slow and steady, and it should be trying to play mean reversion trades. Okay, which is a really big win for everyone, because if you know what kind of trading style you're looking for, what kind of trading you should be doing, that's like half of the job done. If you're looking for trend trading, you have to apply certain strategy. If you're looking for reversal trading, you have to apply certain strategy. That kind of sets up the motion, like, you know, for the rest of the day, what you want to do and stuff. So yes,
Beautiful. Thank
as
you.
you can see, we're sitting at GEX 5 and BL7, and we have some activity coming in over here. If I were to take you there, look where the buy came in at GEX 1, where most of the gamma exposure was. This is where dealers would be engaging in the market. Here, dealers are engaging the market. So what I'm expecting this market to at least drop down back to this area, this whole region.
Yeah, perfect. So
Thank you.
that coincides what you just said there quite nicely with the break of yesterday's lows and trying to catch the catch the buys on the back up. And you can see here, actually, guys, just on the book map we've had since Kay was talking, 101 contract order added at 41.21, something to watch for. So if we just mark this up quite nicely on our, in fact, I'm going to take off this green demand box just to stop confusing everyone on the trade. And what I'm going to be looking for is potentially, where were you looking to short from, Kay? The value, it's 41.42, wasn't it?
Okay, so
It's around up here.
originally I was looking for a short from this area, 41.42.70.
Yeah.
89 to be
Yeah.
exact, to 41, about 2.5 handle range. Okay, so 44.85. Therefore, if I were to set my stop, it would be at 46.50 because of the 5 handles increment in gold market.
Yeah.
These are kind of nuances that we'll walk over in the future. So yes, I'm looking for it around that region, and also looking at the delta chart, we can see we are sitting in negative delta area. So any sell that we can get from there would be really, really huge.
Yeah, that would be really, that's beautiful. Yeah, that coincides quite nicely with the little supply zone that I drew up on the futures chart, just because of this really large aggressive drop during market open. See, market closed at the highs, then we had this immediate move to the downside. So any revisit of these areas will be really good for a short. So I'll just have the little risk to reward tool just there, just ready and waiting to be slotted in once we get to these highs. Looks potentially to take potential shorts from that area. Wall, anything from you?
Pretty much we're just ranging, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna trade by fading the range back into the center of the range, back to the POC. So we'll just wait patiently for the extremes, and then we'll just sell it back down or buy it back up. But preferential would be to sell it down because we are downtrending, and fundamentally we are still bearish. So we would be looking for lower lows still.
Yeah, perfect. Thanks. Well, that's exactly what we were going over earlier. It's just nice that all three of us are sort of looking at the same thing, which is good, which is positive. All three of us looking at the same zones. As I said earlier, guys, you definitely don't want to be trying to sell that area we're in at the moment, because every single sell is just being smacked back up. Buyers look like they're now starting to take control. We can see aggressive buying now stepping into the market as we try and lift. See, you can see here, guys, where we try to break that daily low yet again, which is just here. You can see that on TradingView. Just correlate that back to the Bookmap. Again, aggressive. You can see aggressive selling in the bid as we were breaking below. So that is just typical behavior of certain traders, that they will try and sell the low as we start to break below, because I think break of the previous daily low is going to mean, okay, we're just going to carry on selling. But you can see here that there'd be in a lot of pain right now if they did indeed try to short the low, and we're trying to close back inside the range. Again, very, very risky trading area, guys. No trade for me, and I don't think for Kay or Wall at the moment. We're just in this really tight consolidation area. You can see that initial pop to the upside just got slapped straight back down, and we're coming back into this little green box that I drew earlier. So ideal scenario, as Wall said, is to fade the extremes of the range. So we want to be essentially shorting the tops and buying the bottom. Okay, that's what we'll be looking to do. And that doesn't necessarily mean that as soon as we get to the top of the range, we're just going to hit the sell button. We have to wait for the confirmation. Ideally, what I want to see is aggressive buying as soon as we try and break above the range. And then I want to see that fail, followed by aggressive selling, and then I'll look to take the short. If that doesn't happen, we'll just keep sitting on our hands, and we'll wait for the next opportunity, guys. That's all we can do.
Now bring it over to my chart real fast.
Yeah, I will share it with you. Guys, just remember, just a quick plug of the Discord. Please make sure you join our free Discord where you get tons of learning resource. And if you want to trade live with us all day, every day, you can join our live execution room and Flow Trading Academy Premium. Okay. Sorry, Mo. Let me, after my quick little plug,
No problem.
let me share your screen. Okay. You are live, War. You are live.
Yes, yes.
Simon, you're
All
looking
right,
at my
so-
chart.
Just looking at the TPO here real fast, we can see that we have a poor high up here, so most likely we will target this for a break. And then once it breaks, get up into the value area high of the day, look for a fade back in. Now, you'll see a lot of retail traders, they'll try to short it and put a stop loss up here, which would be terrible placement because this is a key target which people are going to be looking to take out. All right. Back to you.
Beautiful. I love how we're all aligning today. That's great. That's really great. This wasn't pre-planned, guys, I assure you. Kay joined us not too long ago. Me and Will were just chatting, but it's great that we've managed to align all of our areas of interest. Beautiful. Brilliant. Beautiful. Okay, guys, so we look like we're getting a buyers, more aggressive buying starting to step in, which is good. We want to see this start heading towards the highs.
So how was the football game? Or should I say soccer for the Americans?
Oh man, the England. I'm still recovering, bro, from the England-Mexico game. My God, what a game! It was 2-8. The kickoff was delayed till 2 a.m. our time. So I tried to sleep. I tried to get a nap in, but just couldn't. And yeah, it was a lot. It didn't finish till like 4:15 a.m. our time. And yeah, man, it was an amazing football match. Even if you're sort of like in neutral and you're not sure about soccer or football, watch that game because it had everything. Red card, penalties, amazing goals. Yeah, I'm still a bit of a come down, to be honest, Will, from that match. But it does mean that we have booked our place in the quarterfinals of the World Cup Saturday night.
Let's go.
Against Norway, against the Vikings, the mighty Vikings. So yeah, we'll see what happens, man. Looking forward to it. But yeah, it's good. As an England fan, obviously, football, soccer, as the uneducated will call it, football is very much our national sport. So it's a big. Our country is just full of World Cup fever at the moment, and it's great actually to see the Americans embrace it.
It's like a religion for some people, isn't it?
Ah, huge.
It is like a religion for some people. My God.
Yeah, definitely.
It's huge here in UK. In fact, most of Europe, right?
I'd say most of Europe. Yeah, big on football and soccer. What about Australia? Well, Australia is like NRL. Is the NRL probably bigger?
Yeah, it's like NRL. You got like some sort of variant of it, which is AFL and then cricket.
I'm living under a rock. Okay, fill me in. What the hell is NRL?
It's like rugby, You've heard of rugby, right?
It's
rugby. I mean, rugby is huge here in UK.
Yeah, rugby league, right? It's rugby league.
Honestly, I don't really understand, being born in America, it's like American football is, like the main thing. But when I came to Australia and saw rugby, it's kind of like a more intense version of American football because you don't have like full gear, full head armor. and you don't keep stopping and pausing every, like
You
30
have
seconds.
massive tanks running at you
Yeah,
at full force, eh?
Without any padding.
it's entertaining.
Yeah. See,
How's the music for you
that
guys on
game
YouTube?
is so good. Unfortunately, there's no music in my ears at the moment.
Oh, not on YouTube? You can't hear it?
I do not have the YouTube stream on. One sec. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's nice.
Awesome.
I like it.
Thank you, man. Thank you. So yeah, guys, just waiting for gold to get to this area of interest. We are not in a trade. I've just got the risk reward tool drawn up so you can see roughly the area or the zone. Remember, guys, price isn't always exact when we're looking to enter a trade. We always trade by zones or areas of interest, so it's never an exact price. We just look at particular areas where we know buyers or sellers are going to look to participate in the market. So just got the general area of where I'm looking to take shorts. I think K and Wall as well, the other traders at the Flow Trading Academy, are looking at the same area. So yeah, we'll see. But you see on my Bookmap, I'm just looking at this sort of cluster of cells which aligns quite nicely with my zone just here. You see here we've got this little pop which was instantly smacked after we broke below out of this supply resistance sort of area just here. We tried to push back up and it just got immediately rejected, slapped back down. So yeah, any aggressive selling from these areas would be really interesting. As Wall very rightly said, if we're looking at context and the overall market structure, we are still very bearish on gold. We are getting more aggressive moves to the upside, but they're just being met by more aggressive sellers, to be honest. So yeah, so shorts are definitely favourable for us here.
We don't have any major news for New York session, so should be smooth, unless the Trump decides to drop some bombs on Twitter or the X.
That's the thing, man. You never know what that guy's going to say. Just can't.
Doesn't know what he's gonna say.
No. No. There's nothing pre-planned about that guy.
Yep.
I'll be straight with you guys. Being an Englishman, obviously very proud of our London session, but man, it has been shit this week. The volume has been really bad during London, so I'm hoping once we get closer to the NY session, things will start to ramp up.
Session been really, really bad for the past 2 months or so, and most of the move happens like during Asian and before London. Like what I've realized around 8 o'clock our time, this is when if you were looking for a reversal, normally the reversal comes before 8 a.m. Okay, or around 8 a.m. Like that's what I've been witnessing for like past 2 months or so.
So 8 a.m.
So
our time.
Yes. Okay,
so
basically Frankfurt open.
Yeah.
Yes.
A baby in a waistcoat crying throughout the vows.
Like say 7 to 8 a.m. around that time. So if you go to the chart and have a look, you'll see it everywhere.
People dancing in a circle. Ruined rental suit. Sometimes in life you just know what you're getting, like a luxury bed and a great night's sleep. You know what you're getting with Premier Inn.
Yeah, you can see this little what do you call it? That's double top wall, right?
Where are we looking at?
Are we in double top? Is this a double top?
Oh, I guess so.
So guys, if anyone
it's an M pattern.
Oh yeah, M pattern, beautiful. M pattern, beautiful. Anyone's watching yesterday's, in fact, let me flick that back on for you. Anyone was watching yesterday's stream, you can see we were talking about this area where we tried to break out twice and just got completely rejected. So from Monday open, as Kay was saying, and also the London Open, we've just been absolutely tanking. So I think this week for gold, unless anything drastically changes, I think sells are going to be the play.
Yes, sir.
Also,
Or maybe
guys,
Sorry, go on.
just by knowing which regime you're sitting on, it gives you an idea as to what to expect on that given day. For example, today we're sitting at a positive gamma regime, which means its moves are going to be more stable, more steady, and slower. Okay, that means you can put on more risk. Whereas if you're sitting on negative gamma regime, you know market is going to be really, really volatile. There's going to be wide swings and stuff like that. So you need to reduce your risk. Think
And we're
about
just
it.
about
How
to take out this poor
important
high.
this is. This poor high will get this high will get flashed. You'll get flashed to the upside, wake up, and my level is sitting right above that, above the high. So I'm looking at that level. Once I get there, I want to short this market back down to the POC. Let me see if there's any poor high sitting on top.
Hey guys, so
Do
those
you
of
see
you
any
that
poor
wondering,
high or anything like that?
the POC is currently sat around 41.27 on the spot price, the point of control. So that's where Kay's looking to target, which coincides quite nicely with yesterday's low. So you would assume what we're looking for is if buyers are attracted once they start to try and break above these highs and buyers start to flood in, that a passive seller will be sat here waiting to take it back down and potentially try and break this low finally after multiple attempts. So we're getting there, guys.
So we're sitting right at it. Right at it. So, you know, people would be selling it.
Switch over
with
to
their
my
stop
chart
loss.
for 1 second. I want to show something.
Yep.
Okay, guys. So, as you can see, this is the area I'm looking at, and this is the high. This is the recent swing high. The price is 4139.25. However, let's go on to this TPO chart, which is 30 minutes for each profile. Each sub period is 1 minute. So I use this for scalping. I want you to focus on these green lines. Okay, these green lines. These are poor high and poor lows. Poor low is like, you know, 2 TPOs. Same thing for poor high. 2 TPOs sitting right next to each other. For example, this was a poor high. So this was drawn. Now, looking at this will get taken out. Okay, so I'm looking for it to go and take this high out as well.
And is that
And
just
where is that sitting? 41.48. If
okay?
it's 41.48, okay, so you're looking at this level
Okay.
over
Let's
here. Okay, so although I'm looking at this region, I need to be convinced whether if there are any sellers coming in or not. If sellers come in, definitely I will follow my plan, because although this is a poor high above this, there is a high chance that market will go and take it out. However, it doesn't have to do it at that moment. It could do later. Whereas if you look under, look below, we have 2 poor lows sitting right next to each other.
Beautiful.
Okay, so yes, you can take over, Simon.
No, that's perfect. Thank you, man. That's thank you very much. Let's go back. So that current, yeah. So we're about 41, 44. So we've moved that up. Similar sort of area we're all looking at to take a short.
I wouldn't say I moved it up. I'll be like, it's just something I'm
Yeah.
being aware of.
Yeah. So this zone in general, we're looking.
Yes, that's
Looking for.
correct.
Yeah. Awesome. Sellers are stepping in now, guys. But for me, I don't know about Wall okay, but I'm certainly not looking to short just yet, because you, potentially you could have your stop just above the high, but I would rather buyers try to break the highs at the 4140s and then get rejected, rather than trying to short from here, because we're still technically sort of in the middle. Not to say it won't come down. It could. The price will do what it wants. It can just keep going on. But for me, there you go, straight away. Sort of buyers stepping in. So this is a good example of where it's best is to sit on your hands a little bit and just wait for your zones. Okay.
Now, yesterday during a New York session, as I was talking to one of the members, there was a poor high as well. And sure enough, the market did take it out before, selling off during Asian session. So
I see who's watching on YouTube. Maybe guys.
as
Guys, I'm about to make a fool out of myself. But here's the prediction: this high will get taken out. I'm calling the shots here. Okay, this high is getting taken out. Like what you said earlier, Simon, this is exactly what I was looking for. I was looking for it to take out the high, tap my zone, and come back inside the range. Okay, come back, say like, I want it to go, take out this high, weaken to this thing, and then come back down and close within this range. That would be the most ideal scenario. However, does it have to be like that? No. So yes, here's the claim, guys. This is gonna get taken out. Get ready.
He's put it out there now. Guys. Get ready in the comments. Oh man, the music has stopped. Let's check out. Check out the music. What's going on? Nothing to do, guys. Don't always have to be active in a trade. Okay, I know trading can be boring as hell sometimes. So why not join a community, trade with us? We have a great time. Trading's a very lonely game, guys. So
this is where a proper trader comes out on top. On days like this, most people are really, really impatient. They think they are waiting for their setups, okay? Because they look at the charts for way too long. They end up getting some sort of illusion, or they start creating some sort of bias, which makes them want to take a trade. A good trader knows when to stay away and when to get involved.
absolutely. And also, guys, stay hydrated. You can see I've got my wife's massive. Look how big that is, Wall. It's like bigger than my hands.
what's the capacity of that thing? That's like a full day's of water supply.
This is a full camel, a full camel of water, massive.
You know, now that you mention it,
Don't say it's your wife's. Just tell us it's yours. I love the color that you picked.
I borrowed it. I swear, I borrowed it. Stay hydrated.
It's okay. We're not here to judge. It's fine.
Stay hydrated.
If my water bill goes up, I'm blaming you. I'm coming to. I'm gonna come and take the big water bottle away.
Yeah, man. I've got plenty in here to run a bath.
By the way, it's stopping at a previous value that you created. So yeah. Let's see.
Nothing else, just this groove. Let your body slowly move. In the dark, you start to see. This is where
You see these minor values and stuff, like normally I show them to premium members. I think I'm gonna walk them through these like, you know, how to spot beforehand where your trade is gonna go to. Okay, with 90% accuracy.
Yeah, absolutely, guys. So anything you see on the YouTube stream, so my charts, I'm obviously using Bookmap, Footprint, and TradingView, combination of all three. Obviously, Wall has his charts. You've just seen Kay's charts as well. If you want to see those and watch those all day, every day, Monday to Friday, you need to be in the premium Play Trading Academy. Get access to those. So we're talking about that combined probably thousands of dollars worth of trading software with tons of data. Okay, real time data that's coming through. So immense value that you'll be getting. Not only that, you'll be getting access to Kay, Wall, and myself to ask as many questions you want throughout our trading session. So incredible value, guys. If you want to sign up, follow the links to what 50% off for the first 50 members using the code FIRST. I couldn't spell first. First, use that code. You'll
Well
get
done.
50% off. Sorry, Kay.
Oh, by the way, something huge coming up from tomorrow.
Oh, so okay.
Huge.
Tell us about it.
I'm gonna reveal it tomorrow. Let's say I'm paying really good money for that. Like a lot of money for them kind of data. So it's coming out tomorrow. Get ready.
Yeah, beautiful. Is Edwin here?
Hello, Edwin.
Yep, still here.
Beautiful. Are you watching on YouTube or are you in the Discord?
Just on the Discord. My laptop brimming.
How are you finding the overall thing so far, Edwin? Is it helping your trading? Like,
It does.
were
It
we
does.
able to open your eyes?
Yeah, it does. It helps me a lot. Like I used to trade like supply and demand, but now that I'm introduced to volume profile, I feel like it's a lot more precise where the rejection is gonna be and all. So it's definitely gonna help, like on my trading.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Glad Edwin is one of our longest, well, the original member of the Flow Trading Academy education, and yeah, he's doing well. He's doing well. I think as well with all these tools that you're seeing here, even if you think, oh my god, I've already got a profitable strategy, I don't need all this stuff. This order flow will enhance any strategy. Okay, you can apply it to what you do. It will completely transform it and make it better because you will be able to see real volume, real liquidity. We've got a great video. We did a great video on our YouTube channel, introduction to Bookmap, and actual true liquidity. Okay, not liquidity that you think you can see on TradingView, where you break lows and create a bottom wick or whatever it is. You can actually see true liquidity on these order flow tools. So yeah, stay with us, and we'll show you the real way of trading.
Yep, no guesswork, just proven facts, proven data, professional data.
Whenever I mute my mic and stuff, guys, do you guys pick up the audio or no?
Don't think so, bro. Don't think so.
Okay, perfect.
The audio for YouTube is coming from Discord, so if you mute on Discord, I shouldn't be able to hear you.
Perfect. Come on, tap me in. Let's go.
Okay, Kay, are you in a trade?
No. What I mean by tap me in, I wanted to tap my zone.
Okay. Undercover guys, Kay is not in a trade. Don't worry. Normally, if Kay is in a trade, you'll hear the order filled, so we can call him out straight away.
Yeah. And we can always bring it over to Kay's screen. He'll show you his trade live as it's progressing.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
document thought process, where it's likely to get to, and if there's an early exit, I do call it out too. So
absolutely, and we'll always review our trades on the Discord, so you can see those. You can also see the trade ideas that we're looking at, so you can see the areas we're looking to get it in to a trade on the Discord well before it happens. Okay.
can we see on Discord, Simon? Might as well. Just show them the page.
Look at the daily analysis. We placed daily analysis, what we're looking for within the community. If we look at the trade reviews, we'll always go back and have a look at the trades that we're looking at as well, whether we won or lost. We'll always make sure to post our trades in there. And if you're a premium member, you will also get to see what we're looking at before it happens. So you get access to all our trades well before they happen. If you want to trade with us, that's great. You can join, jump in and have a look well before it happens. And as we execute as well, we'll post it within the Discord and you'll be able to follow along with us if that's what you want to do. But we always say trade at your own risk, guys. Obviously, we're all different. We have different size accounts, different risk tolerances. So please trade within your own means. But we'll always make sure to share with you what we're doing, and what you take from that is completely up to you.
So you are a professional plumber, yes? But do you have professional website? Not so much. Try Ionos. Its turbocharged AI power works super fast to bring your WordPress website
Okay.
to life and deliver
The market went up.
results
Okay.
every time.
Been met with some
Auto updates to all
passive
apps,
sellers.
maintaining your site.
Now, I want to see aggressive selling coming in if I were to short this market before it happens. I want to see aggressive sell coming in. Once that happens, I will think about getting involved.
Standing where the water breaks.
No trades for me yet, guys.
Creeping past my feet.
No.
trades
I'm
for
sure
you.
you can see it on your screen, Simon. Aggressive buying met with responsive selling.
Yeah, I can see that.
I mean passive selling, and now all we're waiting for is aggressive selling to come in. Responsive ones. Sorry.
Wall, I'm just gonna test something. Can you I'm gonna try and mute myself. Can you let me know if you can hear me?
You're gonna mute yourself?
Yeah, and just let me know if you only for a second. Just
Yep.
let me know.
Okay, let's go.
Morning comes in pale and gray. Salt is drying on my hands. Something I could never say. Finally starts to understand how with the tide, how with the tide, take the way, let it slide. How with the tide, I don't have to hold the sea to let it carry me.
Yep, you're muted.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, man. Only reason being, guys, I just wanted to make sure that I could mute myself for you is that I'm expecting an Amazon delivery today, and my dog will bark like fuck. So I just want to I don't want to bother you guys with that. Thank you all for the technical test.
Yep, yep.
See this sort of range here. This is what I call the account graveyard. This is where most traders are just gonna get smacked to
Some people
bits.
just don't get
Trying to
it.
trade
That
this,
Squarespace isn't just for websites.
even down
You
here.
can get a domain from Squarespace too. It's kind of like how
Just
your
wait,
parents don't
sitting
let you
here.
have
Don't forget, guys, we're
your art.
trading now. Even though
You
we're
do
not actually active in a trade,
And
we are
with a
trading. We're
domain
trading our
like
time. We're learning. We're sitting here. We're waiting for
and a
our
website from
opportunities.
Squarespace,
You don't
you
get
build a brand
paid.
for yourself.
This is probably the
Build
only
your client list.
job in the
And
world where you don't get
then
paid
you
for
can
how
manage your
active you
pairings
are,
all in one
or how
place.
much overtime you're
Get
putting
yours
in.
before it's gone. Offer code make it real for
Sometimes
10%
less
off
is
your domain
more.
or website. Terms
Just
and
wait
conditions
for your
apply.
opportunities.
Put a dream in my head, in my bed, on a trip. So alive we could ride, if we tried. Could be happy and hopeless, could be fire and ice.
Order filled.
Oh, K's in the trade, guys. What are you looking at? What are you looking at, Kay?
For the rest of my life,
Yes, I just jumped in on a trade.
What are you in? Okay.
So, first I'll explain what I was looking at and stuff like that.
Let me share your
Okay.
screen first, bro. Wait.
Please. Okay. All right. So, this is a noise zone. Okay. I know. Guys, don't try it unless you have experience in the market. Let me just quickly say that. The reason I've taken it because we can see if we were to go to my chart, market been ranging here for a bit. Okay. Look at the volume. This buy volume came in, good positive delta. Market, yes, it went up, but it could not take the high out. Then we have aggressive selling with good volume. Came in. Next candle, aggressive selling with good volume. And if I were to look at the delta chart, look where the rejection came from, guys. This buy area. Because if you think about it, whoever bought from this region, these guys are underwater. Okay, as market went down, now the market went back up to that spot. They are looking to get out of their position. Okay, and at the same time, where did we come back to? The sell area. Okay, where all the sellers are sitting. Now, where can I look to take my profit. This is exactly where I will be looking to take my profit. Reason being, we can see, like, I don't know whether if you can see on your screen or not. You can see this is a buy delta. A lot of buyers are
41.28?
sitting there. Yes, that's correct. On spot.
Yeah.
This is where I'm looking to take my profit. So if I do see any aggressive buy coming in, okay, I'll exit, take my loss, and I'll look to short from there again. And another reason why I took it, because we made it back above the VWAP, however came right back below. But remember guys, on a days like this, VWAP does not matter. It's just something to take into account, but VWAP does not matter. Price will go above, below, it will do all sorts of things. So also, if I were to show you this one, this is a value, this is a value. I'm looking to at least go back down to the weekly POC, which is sitting at 41.2750, and it lines up with this one, 41.28, which is about like 0.5 handles, like, you know, away above the weekly VWAP. I didn't know you guys can hear my thingy.
Yeah, we can
Audio
hear
notification.
where it says order filled. So yeah, guys, if you wanted to follow on K, but do so at your own risk. As I said, K is a very experienced trader using order flow. You also use smaller positions, so by all means, if you want to take the trade, up to you. But if not, don't worry. There'll be plenty more opportunities as the day progresses. But use your own risk and manage it accordingly. Thank you, Kay.
You're welcome.
So Kay's in a short now. Let's see how that plays out for him. Anything for you, Will, so far?
No, nothing. Just sitting back, relaxing.
Beautiful.
Sometimes the best trade is no trade.
Absolutely.
Oh yes,
Absolutely.
ain't that the truth? And also guys, a level is just a level, okay? It's just a point of interest. What matters is what kind of interaction takes place when the market goes there. Okay, this is what makes or breaks your trade. You have to know the type of interaction you're looking for.
Hopefully Kay's trade is going to work out for him. See some aggressive selling stepping into the market. Let's just see. See what happens. Oh, little pop to the upside there.
Yes, there is.
But if we see what I like to see personally when I'm in a trade, let's say I was in Kay's trade right now, any sort of pop like that, it doesn't scare me. I don't get fazed by it because aggressive buying at such a short, sharp pop like that can sometimes, not on this occasion, it can sometimes be immediately rejected by a large aggressive selling.
Okay, we can see some sellers got absorbed, so which makes me think this will go up a little bit. However, it has to clear up the range. It has to clear up the range with a lot of momentum. Because it was sitting at a noise zone, I took a smaller position, only 2 micros. There's my absolute defense up there. If the market was to go and close above this, I will exit that trade. However, there's a high chance that this market will come down.
So within this tight little range here, you can see sort of any move to the upside is being rejected, which is nice, which is good for K, good for K's trade. Again, over here as well, you can see that rejection to the downside. We're entering that zone that K shorted from, around the 4150s, 4149s. And if anyone was here yesterday, actually the 4150s we were really looking at. I wonder if I can go back that far. I've loaded up all of the data. So yeah, the 4155s, 4150s we were looking at quite aggressively. If you want to go back and watch yesterday's stream, we saw the 101 contracts get filled on the buy side, and then we did get a little move up only for it to break. And now what we're seeing is, as of, if I just draw here, now what we're seeing is this area, like a little box, just being used as a resistance now. Make that white for you, a little light green.
I like it white.
What you
Make
can
it
see
white for me,
I'll make it white for you,
please.
no problem. But what you can see here, that little area that around the 4155s, 4150s is now acting as a really good resistance. So I can see exactly why K has taken this trade. Every single pop into this zone has been immediately slapped back down. So be interesting to see if we can keep dropping or if we try to break above it. But 4150s, 4155s is a really good level of interest.
Perfect. I like that. Buy's been absorbed. Now, just gotta wait and see what happens. Buyers are really weak, by the way. Any move to the upside is going to be really, really short-lived. Because we can see a lot of buying taking place on the footprint chart, but they're unable to push the price up any higher. Like prior to this 5-minute candle, I'm talking about the previous 5-minute candle. Yes, sellers did get absorbed, and there was a positive 113 delta, but market couldn't even go any higher.
Beautiful. Look at this, okay?
Yes, on this candle, I can see like 65 buy contract just been slammed. So yes, look, now that doesn't mean market can't go up. It could go up, however, buyers are weak, and any move to the upside is going to be short-lived. Okay, good volume coming in on this candle. Let's see what happens. Really good volume. This is going to be this candle. If the volume stays this way, it's going to be really, really key. Bear with me for 1 second, guys. Just got a phone call. Oh yes, it's going beautiful. Gone.
So the trade that K is in now, guys, there'll be a full review, win or lose, posted in the Discord. So make sure you check that out. trade reviews will be posted in the free Discord, so you can use them as educational purposes.
Also, a key takeaway is not so much the trade, but how you manage your trade. So just listening to him and seeing how he manages his trade, because you'll see a lot of other traders, you know, they'll just enter their position with a TP and a stop loss, and that's it. You know, they won't do anything about it. The trade could go against them, they won't close out. It could go in their favor and they won't be able to add to their trade. They basically are like a bot, you know, they have no ability to flow with the market, which is what order flow is all about, being able to read and adapt and make real-time decisions.
Absolutely. Those are the best days when you feel like you're in complete flow state and just one with the market.
Yep.
I see any sort of guys, I don't know what other stream you're going to be able to see that on, apart from here in the order flow. Working with us at the Flow Trading Academy to see the immediate rejection of that buying.
So much buy just got slammed.
Yeah,
My God.
we can see that in real time as we're looking at tools like Bookmap. So yeah, guys, make sure you are signing up to the community. What's great as well on the Discord, when we're doing our live calls, you'll be able to watch all 3 of our streams at once, so you can jump in and out. If you're thinking, oh, Simon's looking at something, I'll be looking at his stream. If Wall's looking at something, you can look at his. If Kay's looking at something, you can do that throughout the whole day. So immense value, guys, huge value. Not anywhere else on YouTube.
Plus, through us, you do not get just red and green signal. You get to actually learn at the same time. It's like you're taking so much value out of it. You have nothing to lose. Nothing to lose at all. A really, really responsive selling came in the last candle. I love it.
Passive
hold
sellers, I
on?
remember.
Passive selling took place already.
Yeah.
I can see a responsive selling coming in. Now, I want those sellers to carry on with the momentum. If they're unable to do so, then we can say, okay, we are going to be ranging here for a little bit longer. However, on the down move, I want to see a lot of zero prints, aka imbalances. If we get the imbalance to the downside, I'll be more comfortable on my trade.
See, guys, this is where we get torn as a 3, because obviously I wish I was in this trade, but me and Wall needed to come. Me and Wall needed to come up, but we want Kay's trade to work out. So ideally, we want Kay to get his profit, market to come all the way back up, and then we can sell, and then we all make money.
Oh yes,
Yep,
lovely.
yep.
Go down, go down, go down. Sorry if you guys hear me sipping on my tea.
Man, typical Brit. He's always got a cup of tea.
Oh yeah. I'm a brown Brit.
Beautiful. See that? That's 4150, 4150 to 4155 I showed you earlier. It's held really, really well. Good to see. If anyone did take this trade with Kay, congratulations. Still hanging out with us, you're more than welcome, but that's a really nice trade from the 4147s.
Okay. You can sum off.
Order filled.
Yes, I booked some. I would love to go break even, however, it's too early because I know if I do go break even at this point, market will just come up, week me out, and then just go.
Beautiful. Congratulations.
The reason
Kay.
I went, thank you. The reason I took some profit off because we're tapping X5 and blind spot level.
What was that? 66 handles? 60 pips? 7 handles?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes.
A full review of that trade, guys, we posted in the Discord. So I'll make sure to post the link for you guys. Make sure you jump in and have a look, see what Kay was looking at.
Like I said at the beginning of the stream, guys, you are sitting in a positive regime, so you can expect slower type of day. So basically, before even the day starts, you know what to expect. You know whether to be patient or whether to be, pulling the trigger. You just know. And that helps. That does help a lot. As a trader, think about if you just know beforehand whether you should be patient today, whether you should be putting on more risk, whether you should be putting on less risk, is that not a winner? That in itself is a winner. What do you think, Simon? How would that help you? Think of it from a beginner's perspective. Edwin, I'll bring Edwin in. Edwin, if you're still here. Okay, so as a beginner trader, tell me, how would you find it if you were to know beforehand what type of trading day you're looking at?
Man, it's gonna help like how much you're gonna risk basically. It's like whether you're gonna close or you can like tighten it up.
Yeah, has it been helping you as a trader? I want your honest opinion.
It does. It's like if you're expecting like a choppy market, you can have like a bigger stocks, like a DCA in mind. Just go like this.
Okay, thank you. More aggressive selling coming in. Minus 160 negative delta. I want this to break this level. If it does not break this level, I have no reason to stay in this trade because so much selling coming in and they can't even break that level. I'm just gonna take my profit. Man, it's summertime and there's a fly just buzzing around my screen. Go away.
Where is everybody today?
I don't blame them. I watched the USA versus Belgium game. Okay, can we get into a little bit of football talk here? Please? If you guys don't mind.
Fire away.
That guy, he received a red card. How is he allowed to play?
One word.
He was a straight red.
Trump.
So
Donald
hold
Trump.
up. If I have power, I can bend the rules.
If you're Donald Trump, you can.
Yes.
Donald Trump called FIFA, the president of FIFA, Gianni Infantino, and requested that the red card be rescinded and the player be allowed to play. So
Then can
Yeah.
we get O'Reilly to play, please?
yeah,
Because I mean,
Yeah.
he did not mean it. He was
you mean Kwanzaa?
like,
It was Kwanzaa.
oh yeah, sorry, Kwanzaa, Gerald Kwanzaa, right?
Yeah.
Because his leg bounced off of the ball and hit him.
Yeah.
And like
Yeah,
Trump
man.
said, all I saw was two guys running. They had no control over themselves, and he just happened to step on the other guy's leg. So did this guy. Kwanzaa went to challenge the ball, and he happened to hit his leg.
It's messed up.
Still couldn't win it.
They
I'm sorry.
they got pumped.
Oh yeah, 4-1. My God. What's that guy's name, man? The Austrian striker, telekinesis or something. What's his name?
I
That
don't
guy
know.
who scored 2 goals.
Lukaku.
He scored 2 goals. His no, not Lukaku. Lukaku scored the last goal, didn't he? Teke, something, man. He's got such a hard name.
Telekinesis.
Okay.
All
Alright, I'm
the
taking
field.
my full profit. This doesn't look like. It looks like it wants to go up.
Congratulations, man. Good trade.
Thank you. Thank
Beautiful.
you. It was a good win. Thank you very much. And here's where you say Kay's doing what he always does. Do you not?
Do what you always do. What do you mean?
Win.
So, okay, a proven winner. And guys, if you want access to Kay or Wall, or probably not me, but if you want access to to the traders, you need to sign up. You've got to sign up. You've got to get in. You've got to get in before those 50 places go.
We are almost full, aren't we? On that one.
The 50 slots are starting to run out. 50 slots.
Yeah.
So make sure you get in, guys. Take advantage of the 50% off. Just get an enormous value.
All right. Awfully quiet, guys. You guys need to be on a trade to be excited, eh?
Oh no, the music's gone. Let me get that back on for you guys.
Oh, that was a good exit. I'm glad I exited that.
Good exit. Yeah, came into those lows again, bro.
Yeah. And also looking at the 30 minutes TPO, it looks like he wants to go and take those high out because back-to-back poor highs. He'll definitely take those out. Go on, take it out. Prove me right. Prove me right. I need to call Donald Trump up and be like, bro, push the market up a little bit, please. Prove me right. Don't prove me wrong. And who the hell are you? I'm one of the brown guy from UK. Do it now.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Wally,
Keep getting high. Keep getting higher.
Wall,
Yes, yes,
are you there, brother?
yes.
Are you sleepy or awake?
Just relaxing. Not much for me to do.
Nothing's doing here at the moment, guys. Unless if you
I'm
think
trying to
we're
hold
doing-
on.
Sorry, go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say I'm trying to hold on to my winnings from Asian session. Don't let the market take it back.
Absolutely.
Oh,
Don't. That's the worst feeling in the world. Is just giving the market a chance to take your money back.
All right. Trading is all about being patient, waiting for the right location. Once the market gets to your location, the most important thing you should be looking at is the type of interaction is taking place.
Ooh.
Okay, and there you go. It's about to take a high out. Thank you, Kate. You called it out. Thank you very much. Hello, I do not hear any of that. Come on, guys.
Yeah,
Entertain me.
beautiful. Well
Come
done.
I
Yeah.
did call it out. I just saved your bloody stop loss into the liquidity, into the 5-minute silver bullet. Come on.
Even though I called it out before K and I brought it up, earlier on the TPO. Yes.
Well, I did not
yes,
hear
K.
it, so that one does not count. Anyway,
Okay, guys. Now we're
anyways,
sort
the
of
poor high got taken out. High got taken out. Let's go. Now market is about to get interesting.
I'm just
Oh,
going to move
yes.
this. I'm just going to move this risk to reward to the side just to stop it from distracting anyone, because this is quite an aggressive move up, guys. So I just want to see how this plays out before I start jumping into sales. Okay.
Yes. Yes, it's about to top my level. Yes, it's about touching it. It's about. Okay, now I'm interested in a sell. I'm looking for that type of interaction taking place. Okay. Simon, if you move over to my chart, let me document this,
Yeah.
if you will. So I'm looking for
Live.
high volume. Yes, I'm shorting it.
Order
Going
filled.
1 micro. Over here, I'm going with 2 micros because
Order
it's a
filled.
account. Okay, and so I've got what I wanted. Okay, it tapped that level, and you can see it tapped that zone.
Yeah.
I was looking for good volume, good negative delta. There you go. Here's the negative delta. Here's the volume. Perfect. My stop loss is right above this, and I'm looking to take it back down to the low. Now, the most important thing is once it gets towards those areas, I will look to break even on my trade. Thank you, Simon. You can switch over.
Anything for you, Will? You want to look at?
No, nothing.
Oh, by the way, I think I misspoke. My stop loss is above the zone, guys. Sorry. Above the zone. So we can see aggressive buyers coming in. I want to see them fail. Okay. I want to see those guys fail. If they are able to sustain the move up, then I'll have to think about exiting and cutting my losses short. Notice, guys, although I'm on a sell trade, I'm not hoping for it to like go in my favor. What I'm expecting is I always have two ways views of the market. Okay, yes, I'm expecting it to go down, but at the same time, I have the alternative scenario in my head. I'm thinking of like, what could go wrong, and if it goes wrong, what type of interaction I'm looking for. And if those happens, yes, I'm wrong, I'll just cut my losses short. Okay, in the last two range, market did come in with really aggressive buying and good volume.
So guys, if you were following my screen, I've taken off the risk to reward tool on the sell side, just because this move up is really quite aggressive. So I need to see more action from the sellers. So I've taken it off just to stop any confusion. Probably what I'd be looking for next. I will put it back on if the sell opportunity starts to arrive again. But what I'm likely to be looking for now is a clean break above the 55s that we talked about earlier, because the 55 has been a really key level where we saw quite a lot of order flow activity over the last couple of days. And if we can break above the 55s, then my safer, inverted commas, safer short will be from the 70s. Okay, that's what I'll be looking for. At the moment, guys, as you can see, we're still struggling to break above the 41.55s, which is a really key level for us yesterday. So it's important that we keep an eye on it.
Oh, by the way, on such levels, you can expect dealers to engage, because this is an options level. They have a lot of risk into the market and stuff like that. So I'm not going to go into details. Normally it's for premium members, but yeah. By the way, 28 is still my target. Wall? Your sell might be coming in on this one, bro. I can see huge absorption. However, it has to close below. Ooh. Good move up. Okay, we should see sell coming in now. It's about to top that level.
Remember, guys, Kay's just saying what he's expecting to see. That's not to say there's going to be a sell, so please don't start pushing the sell button. I don't want to see in the comments everyone's executing a sell, unless it's your plan. But yeah, trade at your own risk. And at the moment, Kay's just walking through his process. But at the moment,
Say I'm thinking out loud.
Yeah, you can see on my screen I'm not in any position currently. If we continue this move up, I will be looking to take a sell from my red box up here, which correlates to my red box just here on futures. Reason for that.
What's the price, Simon?
Let's go over. 41.70s on futures and 41.60s on spot.
4160.94 is such a good level.
So
on spot.
Reason being is that this is where market closed. we consolidated, and as soon as market opened during Asia, we then just completely collapsed. You can see we had a little retest just here. Buyers tried to and re-break the high, that immediately got smacked down. So I'm looking for any pop into that area to short back down.
There's a poor high sitting at 41.48. On spot.
Ah, beautiful. In fact, guys, that's gonna be my plan for this session. Let's draw that out. If it falls from here, fine, no problem at all with that. Ideally, I would like to see it carry on, but this move up seems quite aggressive. Although we are sitting expensive now, based on the value area.
We are sitting expensive, yes, that's correct.
Again, the 55's such a key level.
Let clever thinking AI build you a smart-looking professional website that is optimized for mobile in no time.
Really struggling to break it.
To get your business growing super quick.
Nice.
No, my darlings, this is nice. Try Ionos, your digital partner at ionos.co.uk.
By the way, guys, I took only one micro, just to let you know. Only one micro, minimal risk. I'll add to my position if I see that the market is going in my favor. However, my zone is still holding, so my trade is holding. All right, in this candle, at some point it was positive 64 delta. Now we are doing 20 delta, which is good. Which is really good. Also, we have delta divergence, guys. So this sell is coming. It's just a matter of when.
Flip over to the print chart for you guys. And you can see where are we now? 41.50. So if I jump into the 41.55s, which or
We need to clear this level on spot, which is 42.95. We need to clear this level aggressively. Okay, some sell came in, but volume is really low, which means buyers took profit.
and 28 yesterday.
Nice, beautiful. Keep going.
See, there's that level, guys. 10.25 yesterday. 41.55. So let me just draw draw that for you so you can visualize it. You can see exactly. There you go, and that's exactly where we are now. See that? Right there. All the way across.
Yes.
Perfect. So holding very nicely, guys, right now.
Now this trade is looking good, so should just keep dropping.
Beautiful. That's 41.55 is holding. If we can get a little pop back up, I would like to take the short as well. Have a stop loss that's above the highs. Looking for any sort of pop back into the 55s.
Simon, bring it over to my chart real fast.
Yeah.
Right, so as we can see on the footprint chart and the area that I've marked out, took a sell right at the extreme high. 3 contracts. Now we have absorption up here, a lot. So I'm looking for it to get down to take out these lows at a bare minimum and probably target lower. We could see some buyers come in around here, this imbalance, this buyer's imbalance. But currently at break even, it's looking good. No need to worry. Just let it play out. Alright,
Yes.
back to you.
Really aggressive sell coming in, guys. Really aggressive
I just
sell.
need a little. That's
Switch
a
over
nice. That's a nice pop. That's a nice pop. I'm just waiting.
to switch over to mine, Simon. Let me just show it quickly.
I will.
Okay.
Not yet, bro. Not yet.
Yeah.
I need a little pop back up. Any pops back into sort of 53s, I'll be looking to jump in. And if it keeps dropping, I will miss out. Oh, here we go.
If it keeps dropping, me and Kay will tell you about how good it feels.
We'll rub it on your face.
Nice pop. That's a nice pop, right? 53s.
I'm actually looking to add to my position soon.
I want to see this get rejected. Good. Good. I'm not in yet, guys. I'm not in yet. Not in yet.
Okay. I added.
You to see aggressive selling. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go take a small sell. We are in, what price did I get? 43.6, which is just about. Stop loss just gonna be above this high here. If this keeps going, I'm gonna stop out at the 47s. A free handle stop. Oh, looks like it's just gonna keep going. Could be a very quick stop out. It's not a problem because I'll be looking straight to get straight back in for a re-entry. If we break above the 55s, then the trade's completely invalid. If we start to hold above the 55s, and for me the trade is invalid, I'll just wait for the 7. Okay. I am almost out. Okay, I'm out this trade, guys.
I will be looking to exit soon.
Stopped
I'm
out.
just waiting to see something. If that happens, I will just exit.
Okay, guys, I'm stopped out of that trade.
Oh,
Yeah, stop that as well.
it's alright. We win some, we lose some.
That's
Not a
the
problem.
reality of trading.
it's all about my. Oh yes, my level held. Nice, nice. Now slam it down. Come on. Slam it
Okay,
down. Only reason I didn't exit, guys, I was waiting for the market to take out the poor high that was above that I was talking about earlier at 48 on spot. So now if it carries on with the momentum to the upside, I'll exit.
Great.
Nice, really good reaction. Love that.
Personally, guys, I'm not looking to re-enter this at here. I'd rather wait for the 70s now. If it keeps dropping from here, it's just, it is what it is, just bad luck.
And it's some positive energy, guys. Come on.
The idea was right. 55's held. 55's held really well, but yeah, it's not.
Yeah.
It's not to be.
Yep.
It is what it is. But we're not done. We're not done.
Just remember, trading is a probability game, and you are guaranteed to have wins and losses. And you do not let those losses affect you, and you just continue doing what you do.
So I manage your risk, guys. You would have seen.
All about the process.
I only had
It's all
a 3
about the
handle.
process.
I only had a 3 handle stop loss on that, so 30 pips. So really small loss. Paste that up on the group.
Nice. I want to see it close back inside. Let's go. Beautiful. Wall is still on the trade or you closed?
Oh, it tagged me out at break even.
Okay.
I did take partial at the low for just 5 contracts, and then took 2 off, so 3 out at break even.
Gotcha.
Now it can still reject, because really what matters is if we start extending to the high side, leaving single prints, and a stop loss really is more of a zone. So right now we do have buying momentum, but it's not that aggressive, honestly.
I think I might have got caught in a bit of a sweep.
Black hole.
Yeah, the still holding. Yeah, guys, I'm in no rush to jump into this. I think I'd rather wait for my original theory of the 70s.
I want to see it come back and close that single print on the 1 minute time frame. It hasn't closed it yet. Okay, you closed. Close the single print. Very nice. Very nice. Good rejection. I like it.
Oh man, I
Needs
can't
to
believe
come
it's
down
come.
now.
That would be just my luck if this comes down now.
That would be devastating for you. There was a level above what my initial entry was, and I was like, okay, if the market breaks above this, then I'm wrong. So I was waiting for the market to break above that. However, it held to the tick.
Yeah, guys, so our stop loss, we were in a trade, our stop loss just got clipped. Now we're just sort of consolidating around it. Now, what original idea was looking at the 41.55s that we talked about earlier. If I just go back over, you can see $41.55s was holding really strongly from today, acting as a really strong resistance. We saw aggressive selling come into the market, but unfortunately that's got absolutely smashed by buyers. Those of you that were here, you would have seen that my stop loss got hit really quickly. So which is fine, because I'd rather be wrong really quick. If you're going to fail fast. So that's no problem. It was only 3 handle, 30 pips stop loss. So for now, for me, I'm not looking to jump into this, because you can see we're just really just moving sideways around this area. So for me now, I'll be looking for it to get to the 41.70s, which was my sort of original thesis anyway. I'm just hoping that perhaps we could capitalize on a rejection from the 41.55s. Wasn't to be, but hey, that's trading. Let's wait and see now what gold does. We're not going anywhere, guys. Don't worry, we're going to be here for a little while longer. So hang out with us and we'll see if we can catch another trade. Yeah, you see we're breaking above now, guys, so good. I just want to demonstrate how important stop losses are. That is why. Yeah, really aggressive push now. Really aggressive pushing, which is good. It's good to see. It's good to see. Any news, Wall? Any reason for this, or is this just the market?
Let's take a look. So in our channel, you'll see a news feed which will give you the latest updates. Any down Trump tweets as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
No substantial news.
No, that's okay. So this is okay. So we'll just wait for our level to get tagged. look, guys, you see the importance. Although I took the loss there, I'm comfortable that my risk was fine. Let's say 3 handles, 30 pips.
Sorry, guys, my
Immediately-
mic was muted. Sorry. My mic was muted and I was saying how I'm switching my stance to a buy.
Okay.
And I don't think you guys heard it. Sorry.
No, that's fine. That's fine. We're just talking about managing trades. Because I got stopped out really quickly on that trade, but the important thing is it didn't bother me in the slightest. I've taken enough losses to know that it's always going to come back. This is a probability game. My risk was really small, but also when I got stopped out, I didn't re-enter at all. Okay, just sat in my hands, waited for that just to play out, because if I did re-enter, I'd be in a lot of pain right now. So if you take the loss, just take a step back, have a look at the trade, review the trade. What could I have done better? For me, should have waited for the 70s, but it is what it is. I saw an opportunity at the 55s, so why not take it? So now we'll just wait for the next opportunity to arise. What is good though, is we can see that this green box that we had, if you've been here since the start of the stream, you'll see that I've had this green box on Bookmap drawn out from the start. So this is holding really, really well. So you could say this is a really good area of market structure demand. So if we were to collapse from here, we could look for pullbacks into this green box and then look for buys. Or if we keep traveling to the upside, as we talked about earlier, we're looking to fade the extremes of the range. So if we get to the 70s and the 74s, then we can look to take shorts from up there, which is the extreme of this particular range.
Simon, can I show something?
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah.
Thank you. If you just hop onto my chart and let me know when you are.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, so today we built some value here. Now look where we're trading. We're trading inside this value. Now there is an 80% chance of going up here. 80% chance. Hence, I changed my stance to a buy. Okay, I'll show you. As you can see, I bought and I'm sitting risk-free at the moment. I'm sitting risk-free, and looking at this chart, it takes away a lot of noise. Whereas if I was looking at this chart, because of the candlesticks and stuff like that, there's a lot of noise. You cannot tell what's going to happen. We're within this chunk of the volume. Okay, so we are looking to go up to this spot. This spot. Okay, yeah, I'm done with the idea.
Thank you, man. Hey, thank you for the subscribe. Whoever subscribed, thank you very much. Welcome.
Hey. Let me know when you switch over.
You want me to switch over to you?
Oh, no. Switch over to yours.
Oh yeah, I'm back on mine. Yeah, back on mine.
Okay. Let's go. Break above this. Come on. You know you want to. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. 190 up. Keep going. 230 up. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Beautiful, beautiful, Kay. So, Kay took a buy.
Thank you.
Guys, there's absolutely nothing wrong with flipping a bias. As Walt was saying earlier, you've got to be completely in a flow state with the market. So if the order flow is telling you that the sales are just not there, it's now time to capitalize on buys, then there's absolutely no problem with that. It's all about if you're in control and you know what you're doing. There's a big difference between someone like Kay flipping their bias, going for longs, rather than somebody that's only been trading for a couple of weeks and then tries to flip between buys and sells, because they're going to confuse themselves and ultimately blow their account. So by joining us here, you'll be able to learn and completely control that emotional side. Just trade what you see. You heard there, Kay was just trading what the data was telling him, what the order flow tools were telling him. The sell wasn't the right time, flip straight into the buys, and he's another winning trade. You don't have to get married to a bias.
No.
So many traders
That's the
failed.
worst thing you can do to yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, it's starting to calm down a little bit, so I'm gonna take some profit.
Order filled.
There you go.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Nice.
Okay, yep. I got stopped at break even. Wall, would you consider selling this?
No, not until we get back under.
Okay.
I want to get back into the range below.
You're talking about that chunk of volume, right?
Yep. Roughly, getting back below around 57s on futures. Got 5 minutes for the new hour to come, and we'll see a little bit of volatility as the new hour pops.
Yep.
Let's see what happens. What I'm hoping for, guys, hoping we get an immediate pop into the 4170s and then a really nice rejection.
Yes.
So let's get locked in. Sorry, YouTube.
Sorry guys, I'm focused on my chart. That's why I'm not talking at all.
See, guys, if you rewind to the
Order filled.
if you rewind to the start of the stream, you'll see how we talked about how we tried to break yesterday's low, failed numerous occasions, returned back into the zone, and as I said, inside day, meaning that we are inside yesterday's range. It's now attempting to push back up after it's closed and started trading successfully within the range. That's why we're seeing a move higher. Ideally, we'll start to see sellers come in around the market open, which is the ideal scenario, which is what I'm looking at right now. Draw that back up. Tidying this up as we go, but that's what I'll be looking for.
I'm sure you heard my notification.
Yeah, I see you're in buyers.
Mm-hmm.
When I get confirmation, guys, I will not be taking this trade, but I'll let you know as soon as I enter.
It's all buy here, all buy.
Whoa.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Whoa. Okay, guys. Let me see what's going to happen.
Even. It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. It's all buys here. This is a buy area. This whole area is a buy area.
Check on
Okay, we might have a little bit of hiccup just above this, about 4 handles away. Hopefully it doesn't weak me out and then go in my favor.
You guys are on the footprint. You can see 4168.
Order filled.
I took some profit off.
4168. So I need to see it start trading below the 4168 to see if this level can hold. Okay, I think that dropped now.
If it comes down 2 more handles, you will weak me out on my runner. I'll get stopped down on my runner. However, this should support the move. We should find some support here.
Interesting, isn't it? To think that gold dropped that much during Asian session, and yet it's managed to correct the move.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, 100%.
I'm not afraid of manipulation. You're stuck in your ways. I lost my patience.
I need to see more buyers get rejected, guys, before I can safely enter this, or at least a drop and then return, and then a rejection, especially after such an aggressive move up.
Let go, let go, let go. Ya no hay marcha atrás.
I think it's 41.68 is holding.
My runner is holding on. Let's go, runner. Let's go, Usain Bolt. Hold. Oh,
Nice
yeah.
pot, another
it.
rejection.
Very nice, very nice.
Exactly why,
I
guys,
love it.
we don't enter straight away.
There must be some limit order on top, right, Simon?
Yeah, there's this. I'll show you my footprint. Oh, this is building nicely.
Oh, yes.
See this? Just be patient. Just be patient.
My runner is farming me profit. Let's go, farmer. Going, keep going. Remember, 80-20 rule kicked in, and the top of the distribution is sitting at 66 on spot. We're about to tap that, about 7 handles away. Breaking above 60.94 is crucial on spot. I want to see a break above this with good volume, if my buy was to work out.
Second wants to try and break. Oh, more aggressive selling coming in. Good for it. Yeah, more aggressive selling. Oh, more aggressive selling.
Nice. We tap that. Now we need to break this. I'm gonna book in more profit.
Oh,
Oh
nice pop.
yes.
Nice pop.
Yes. Yes. Okay. We're like 4 handles shy of that thing. That level that we were talking about, 66. We're sitting at 62.40 at the moment. So can we get to 66, sorry.
Yeah.
There you go, only 3 handles away. Once it hits that, I'm fully out. I'm gonna book in my profit. That's my final TP anyway.
Yeah, if we break above this, guys, I'll be taking this box off.
Okay, I'm gonna book in my profit early and I'm
Order
fully out.
filled.
Beautiful. Done.
Perfect.
Well done.
Good job.
Thank you, boys. Thank you.
Look at the delta on this candle. So aggressive. So
Yeah.
negative, but we're not going down at all. We're starting to get orders stacking below price as well.
Yeah, that means they are trying to pull the price down, isn't it? Like attract the price lower.
Orders pulled there. Could this turn around, guys? That's what we want to.
It didn't quite get to 66 yet. We're sitting at 64.02 at the moment. However, let me ask myself this question. What am I looking at 64, 66? A good sell to come in. Okay. Would this hold?
No, it's gone.
Very likely because yes, it's gone. There you go. Would have hit the full TP right there. Let's go.
Beautiful. Look at this. Wow.
Oh yes. Now we can look for sells to come in.
Let's see if we can close back inside.
If sells come in, oh yes, that would be huge.
So we're trying to break the highs now.
Massive absorption coming in.
Yeah, looking nice.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm trying a short, guys.
Everyone, K's in the short. K's in the short.
with a tiny stop loss.
Need to see this level hold.
Yes.
Sevens, okay. Moving close back down. Nice little pop there, getting rejected.
Does not look good. Buyers stepped right in, taking over the sellers.
See if the 80s can hold. No, buyers are in control. See. A rejection at the 82s.
There you go. Straight off of GEX2. Nice. Price is trapped between GEX2 and cold resistance 0 DTE. So we might see some rangy movement here. I'm still on my sell, by the way. Did not get stopped out yet.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna hold, guys. Looks like buyers are
Aggressive.
super aggressive at the
I mean,
highs.
it has to clear that level really strongly, isn't it?
All right, shorting against the high.
Oh yes. Look at the paying straight in on the book map. A passive 103 short is there. I'm also getting very tempted after that pop. Let's
Pretty
see.
volatile up here.
Let's see if he gets filled. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's been pulled.
Okay, out at break even.
Oh yeah, same.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Wow, what a market, eh?
Wow.
It's just blitzing.
I am glad I stayed away from that. But let's see if this can hold. 41.83. 41.83. Let's see. See if they can sustain this move above the pre-market highs.
We are about to enter a new value.
We are so vertical that it seems like this is almost news-based.
Yeah, it seems like a Trump tweet.
Yes.
Papa Trump.
So I'm currently sat on one loss today, guys. I think Kay's on like 15 wins. maybe 10 losses, but 15 wins. Wolves on.
No, not that
Two
many.
break
Not
evens.
that many.
Wolves on 2 break evens.
Let's say overall I'm sitting on good profit. Let's say that. We are doing a little bit of volume up there, guys.
See if we start breaking. want to see this fail. I want to see all this fail. If it doesn't fail and keep going up, then I'll start looking for buys. But until we can start holding above the pre-market highs, sales can still make sense. But I have to see this continuing to drop. Well, can you take over for me for a second? Just need to go to the toilet.
No problem.
What I'll do, I'll share your screen, bro, and then
All right, let's go.
share your screen. Look. Take myself out. There you go. You are live. You are live.
Okay, just maximize it. Yep. All right. Okay, currently we're really extended. We're reaching into the 2x to 3x VWAP bands. So this is not an area I want to buy. It's like super expensive, yet price is going higher. So what do? You just sit on your hands. You don't want to fight it, but you also don't want to buy it at such an extreme. Now, usually what will happen is we'll pull back because, price doesn't stay elevated this much and this long. But what it can do is it can continue to grind higher. So you get little pullbacks and then pops. And as we can see right now, we're getting a little bit of a pullback. See if these buyers can sustain. I believe in 2 minutes we have the comics open. So you can see below this yellow volume profile area is our value area for the day, and we've broken out of it, obviously, very aggressively. So buyers are in control, breaking balance, seeking new balance.
Beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, I'm out.
Oh my god.
$500. Let's go.
Very good, very good.
Did I miss myself? Oh man. Right, are we trading below?
I just took a quick 500.
4183s, we're trading below that. 4077. Okay guys, I'm gonna try this short. Low. Get a little pullback. We got a little pullback. I see a little pop and get rejected from the 83s. Yeah. Can we get a rejection from the 83s? This, what I'm looking at here, guys, this area here. If that rejects again, I'm happy to take this. The order stack above. Oh, more order stacking above. There's a risk on that. 10 handles. Right, target. 20s. Okay, guys, I'm going to do short at the 76s. Just here. See. Although the stop loss is up here, if we start to break above the 83s, I will look to scale out. I want to see a break of the 72s, 71s. Nice if we get on that. So we got my pro code is about the 65. 59. Let's see if I can get a decent break under the where did that level come in, like 70, 71s, then I'll look to get out. $74s, nice. Right. Yeah, I need to see this pop fail. If we start to get above the 83s, then I'm going to get out. Need to see this pop fail. Nice. 74s. I just want to see it pop down to the 71s, guys, and then I'll look to go break even. $74s. Or if we go above the 83, guys, then I'll be looking to get out. Just looking at this big order. I hear about the 84s, 83s, 83.5. I'll be looking to scale out. So it looks like we want to do. You see this reject. It's a nice rejection from the 80s. Let's see if we can just keep going.
Let me be, let me. When you move like that, oh. Let me be, let me. Don't stop, don't talk, just feel, let me. Let me.
Yeah, what I don't like is this is creating support now at the 75s, which is the level I wanted to see it break. We get a nice break under the 75s into the 71s, then we'll go break even. But at the moment it's holding. Oh, here we go again. Yeah, it's holding. Might be sat in profit, so let's see. Oh, no, we're not. Now drawdown. Yeah, the only thing I'm thinking now, guys, is that as this level, this 75 is holding, we might try and run these highs again before we start to drop, but let's see. So we want to see there's more aggressive selling coming in, rejecting the pops. And we get a breakdown into the 70s, 71s. See. Okay, guys, 75. I see a sharp little push down. See it break. Oh, beautiful little pop down. Come on, can we get to the 70s, 71s? 74s, 74.2. 73s. Where was that? Where was that order? Ones. See if we can just get another push down. These little pops are getting rejected, which is good to see. More rejection. Try to break above market open, market highs. So let's see after this rejection if we can continue to trade below it. Or if we're just going to continue higher. Man, anyone still here? Wall? Okay.
Oh, I'm still here. I'm still
Okay.
here.
Yeah, here.
Anyways.
Looks like it's gonna break down.
Yeah, it's just like there's so many. Oh, this area just keeps holding, which is just a little bit frustrating.
Yeah.
The fact that we are, broke the day's high, just got rejected straight back down into it, trapped buyers. So, see.
What you up to, Kate?
I'm just looking at this, bro. Just expecting it to drop a little bit lower.
Didn't even go break even. I was hoping for the 71s, but
We should get a rejection now. And it's going right through.
I was saying if we if we could trade the 84s, then I'll cut the trade early.
Yeah. I feel like it's just gonna go higher.
Yeah, this is a bad sign, guys. We can see that there's limit orders stacking below price. Let's just see if we do get above the 83s, 84s, then we'll cut this trade early. Again, what we're saying here, the stop loss is just a zone. I won't let it hit 9 handles. It's just a zone that I'm looking at. Anywhere within there that I can see that the trade becomes invalid, then I'll look to cut the trade. Oh, did I see an order get finished?
Yeah.
Yeah, that happens super fast. Right down we go, 74s, beautiful 74s. Can we give me 73? No.
Things to note, guys. A lot of sell coming in, but market finding it hard.
73, 72s. Okay, guys. Come on, keep going. Keep going. I could not.
Watch out for it here, because right now on spot is sitting right above the HVL, and there's some
Okay, guys.
zero prints here.
I'm gonna go break even here, guys. Okay. stops to break even, stops to break even. We were looking at the 71s, but we got down to the 73s because purely because we've been struggling to break this now. I don't like sitting in a trade for this long, but because of this large buy order that was sat here at the 72s, the fact that we're struggling to break that level tells me that it may not be ready. And as Kay was saying, we've seen such aggressive selling and negative delta, but no move down. So I'd rather just protect the trade. Go break even. Managed to see 4 handles, 40 pips in profit. But break even now, guys. Break even on that trade. We're not out yet, but if this does pop higher, then we will be out. Okay, we're out. Break even, guys. Break even trade.
And we go and take the high out. Yes, go, go, go. Gonna sit break even on this. Oh, what the hell is this?
Okay, were you in buys, were you?
Yeah, I just got 2 contracts got taken out, and I'm still sitting on 2 more contracts. Okay, I'll take the full profit. I've taken full profit. I'll show you why I bought it.
Let's keep an eye on this level, let's see what happens. $83s. You probably can't hear the music on Discord, so there's some absolute bangers there. YouTube is being treated.
In the day, in the night, say it right, say it all. Either got it or you don't. Either stand or you fall. When your will is broken and it slips.
Now I will say, you know, trading, it's quite the beast. You know, you're gonna have good days, bad days. You're gonna have ranging days, trending days, and you just gotta keep on adapting.
Yeah, 100%. Look at today for me, 1 loss, 1 break even. Saw some 40 pips, small handles profit on that last trade, but just didn't get to my target. But it's what it is. As long as you control the losses and maximize your winners, you'll be good.
We are transacting a lot of volume up here. We should go higher, but man, without a substantial pullback, that is interesting.
Yeah, so still the 83s still holding is interesting, but there's so much selling happening, but we're just not going anywhere. I'd like to see buyers just get like more buyers come in without any reward.
to do before. Have you ever wondered why I always keep on coming back for more? What have you done to me? I'll never bear the same, I'll tell you for sure. I'll never bear the same, I'll tell you for sure. I'll never bear the same, I'll tell you for sure. You really are my ecstasy. My real life fantasy, oh yeah. You really are my ecstasy. My real life fantasy, oh yeah.
I think now, guys, for sales to make sense, I think we need to break below the 70s and then pull back and then continue on for the sell. I think, you know, it would be incredibly frustrating if my sell does end up absolutely working. But that's just the name of the game, is what it is.
A more beautiful vision I have never seen, if you don't mind me saying. A life of ambition to fulfill my dream. What have you done to me?
You might be thinking, why would you not buy up here? It's too high. It's too high for me personally, to take a buy. That's why I'd be favouring sales from up here. Also at the pre-market highs. We're also at that area of supply where market collapsed last night. Pending orders stacking now at the 41.50. So yeah, for me the sales did make sense, but we just got break even. Perhaps the timing was wrong. That's all. Maybe if we see a pop back into the 82s and the 83s, we test those trap buyers and then look for the short back down. But or we could just keep going up, and that's fine too.
K's suspiciously quiet. He's gotta be trading this thing like a demon.
Yeah,
I am.
yeah.
I am. This is gonna take the high out. It's just gonna pop. Maybe we are waiting for New York Open at 2:30. Because twice we tried to break inside the top balance and we failed. So the third time, it's just gonna break. It's just gonna break. There you go. Go on, keep going up. And if it does go up, we've done only 58 handles today. And gold on average does 100 handles, so keep that in mind as well.
I know you're breaking me again, but I love the way it feels. I know you're breaking me again.
Nice, beautiful. Keep going.
One more touch, one more light underneath
Break even.
the sky. You're breaking me,
Take and contract off.
breaking me again. Moonlight dancing on my skin. I let the shadows in. I know I shouldn't stay, but I can't walk away. Midnight shadows on the wall. I'm waiting for your call, even though I know the fall. I'm giving you my all. I know you're breaking me again, but I love the way it feels. I know you're
on the previous 5 minutes, so much buy came in. Okay, yet market closed lower. So you expect the market to carry on with the momentum. However, this 5 minute candle just straight back up. So yes.
See what's happening at 81 level again, guys.
It's a beautiful disaster. Heart is beating a little faster. You're the ghost I'm chasing after. Do it again. I know you're breaking me again, but I love the way you feel.
Anything for you yet, Wolf? Probably he falls deep in a trade.
You should just hop over to K's chart and just watch him. Just watch him go balls deep.
Oh, what's he doing? Let's see.
I don't know.
What's he doing? Hop onto K's.
No. No. We just broke inside this balance, so, and we're transacting volume, so I'm expecting it to go up. To the POC of this balance minimum.
Five minutes for the new hour again.
There you go. Here comes the pop. Let's go. Come on, give me the freaking money. Give me the money.
What is that? Is that the Tom Cruise movie? Show me the money.
Yeah,
Show me the money.
For me, it's more like give me the money. I demand it.
81's are holding again.
Yeah. Okay, let's analyze this. We went there, buyers tried to buy. Let's go. First sellers came in, went there, buyers tried to buy, fell. Again, buyers tried to buy, fell. Again, buyers trying. At some point, it's just gonna break.
Go. If anyone just joining, we did try to sell this, but got break even. And I was just waiting, not chasing the trades, not switching to buys, just having a quick look. Man, need to get some food in a second.
Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play.
What time is it, Wolf, for you?
Always remember this way.
You must be busy.
Is he even here?
It's quite late for him. Maybe getting some dinner.
Yeah, it's quite late for him. I think it's time for him to sleep.
There we go, guys. We're looking to break the 82s and 83s now. So again, just the importance of, whilst I was in profit but then got break even, this is just so important about managing a trade, guys. If I was to let this hit the full stop loss, then it would have sucked. But yeah, break even. Really trying to break. Look at the footprint. See what the footprint's doing.
Beautiful. Come on, tug me in. Tug me in.
What, are you looking for a short?
All right, I'm out. I
Order
was on a
filled.
buy already. I was on a buy. I was looking to, like I said, we just entered a new balance, so I'm looking to get to the other side of the balance. POC was the minimum target of this balance. However, I took the profit. Done for the day.
Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful move up.
Oh, as soon as I close, it hits my TP. Nice, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Next spot is 86.80 on spot. Now, would it happen today? No one knows.
Oh, another
Let's see what happens.
huge. So 90. What's pressed that? 41.88 now. Oh
Yeah,
wow.
we're closing right back inside. This is gonna turn around now.
Yeah.
This is just gonna turn around.
Beautiful. See how we tried to break today's high. Once again, just getting instantly rejected. Instantly rejected from that zone.
Massive trapped buyers on top.
Yeah. If you look at the footprint chart, you can see that as well.
This is
Oh
just
man,
gonna
so you
turn
see,
around.
sales was the right play, guys. Let's see. Check the footprint chart. See, we're right below the 80, that 81, 83 level now. Now, do we try this again? That's the question. Should we do one more trade, guys, and then hope for the best? Today's not been my day, but let's see.
I would
Never hope, my
actually-
guy. Never hope. We only trade what we see.
So I'm sort of looking for a pop back into the 83s, see what happens.
Oh, I'm actually still on the buy, like, well, on the leaning heavy on the buy side. If it comes down a little bit more, I'll look to buy it.
Yeah, chances are that's probably just taking profit
Yeah.
rather than huge
But
seller.
buyers did get absorbed.
Now, to be devil's advocate, we have buyer's absorption at the highs.
Yeah.
Lots of buying on that, attempted breakout, and we're already failed under them. So
Yeah.
we'll see. We'll see.
Really focusing on the.
So that means if there's a lot of buys on top, that means a lot of people tried to sell it. Their stop loss was there, which got hit. They became buyers. And also on this candle, at some point it was positive 161 delta. Currently we are doing negative 98. So this looks really, really bearish.
I missed it.
So much volume coming in on this candle too. Almost 12,000.
Hey guys, I'm gonna give this a shot if I can get another pop into the 82s.
Alright, I'm selling.
Okay, already in.
Yeah, I sold.
If you want to jump in with K, do so at your own risk.
I got a tiny stop
Hey man,
loss,
you're on a streak today.
Oh yes, I had some good trades, couple of bad trades, which is fine. Overall up, that's all that matters. Now, if I'm selling, where can I look to get to? That's the main question. Okay, take it off here. 60, about 7 handles. Cool.
Okay guys, it'll pop up honestly in order to get filled.
I don't like this. If it was to go, you should just go. But gold been giving a lot of late reactions sometimes, like these days.
We do have NYSC in 24 minutes.
Gotcha. More sales coming in.
Oh,
yes.
no.
Okay, I'm completely out. There you go. I closed.
There she goes. Good job. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Get into an area where it could turn around from, by the way. Yeah. So. Thank God I exited. Look at that. Went right back up. Oh, yes. This is key. This is key.
Fall face down, let the quiet find you.
Such a
Drops.
joke. Such a joke. Basically, early on my buy, before you hit the TP, you slow down quite a bit. I thought, like, okay, I will just take the profit early. As soon as I take it, it goes and hits my TP. Now on the sell, I closed early because I didn't like the reaction. It looked like he was going to turn around. And now he's heading towards my TP. Amazing.
Close your eyes, let the noise switch off. You're safe here. You're safe here.
Why could be coming in soon? Let's see.
Just relax. Just relax.
Buyers
man,
are
this is-
being absorbed though.
Yeah, I think this is. I think, guys, this is a classic example of right analysis, just the wrong timing. Didn't give me a chance to re-enter, but the idea was there. 83s, 82s was key level. Tried to break above it, rejected, retested, straight back down to the original target area.
So the price I'm looking at is 41.6135 on spot,
Yeah,
where I'm expecting some buyers to come in.
Slow breath, close light. On the edge of the room.
okay, well, can you take over from me? I'm going to go over to your screen.
Yep. Let's head on over.
And I wait for the space to open. Lift me up with the words.
Alright. As we can see, absorption up at these highs, and ever since, starting to see more and more selling delta. So really, we should just keep going back down and start retracing some of this move.
Okay, we're at my level. Let's see. I'm expecting some buyers to come in. Good reaction. Let's go.
We have a ton of large orders that got transacted here.
Yep, I'm looking to exit. Yes, keep going up. Yes, I exited. There you go. Let's go. Goodbye.
So since we got nicey open coming up soon, possible that we're just gonna stay within this range up here.
Yep. Ooh,
And normally
had a
when you
really
see,
good reaction. Really good reaction from that level.
yeah, normally when you see a lot of these large orders transacting in an area, it tends to just balance out here as the big players are positioning themselves.
So it's gone up 6 handles. Well, I feel like it's just gonna carry on going. I mean, NYSE opening soon, right?
Yep.
So they might be positioning themselves. We just gotta be careful. By the way, I'm done
Nah.
with the trading today. I'm up, so I'm happy.
Yep. Alright.
Oh.
Looks like value area just got
What happened
shifted
to my
higher.
Chat.
Looks like we're starting to form a double distribution. Seems like we've been doing this a lot lately.
When you call my name, it's like a little prayer. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take you there. In the midnight hour, I can feel your power.
Damn.
Just like a prayer. You know
Good
I'll take
reaction.
you. When you call my name,
Love it.
like a little prayer. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take
So it's gone up 10 handles from that level. From 60.94, well, not 60.94, 61.35. It's gone to 71.28. Okay, I'm done trading. Let's go close everything.
feels like flying. When you call my name, it's like a little prayer. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take you there. In the midnight hour, I can feel your power. Just like a prayer. You know I'll take you When you call my name, it's like a little prayer. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take
Still rejecting this 81s, 82s area.
When you call my name, it's like a little prayer. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take
And Hyperoptic, we do full fiber broadband, so you can win.
So how much you up on the day, K?
Try that or stream that.
Have a guess.
Do life with broadband that's in your corner.
Let's say,
On. Yep, gone.
go ahead.
No, I want to hear your thingy.
On all the account or what?
No, just two combines that I was trading.
Okay, let's say probably like 600 on each.
No. On the large account, only 535.
Okay.
And the smaller one is only 80.
Okay, gotcha.
It's a small account, right? So I have to
Yeah.
manage my risk accordingly.
And what accounts do you have? What are you with?
I'm with Top Step and Lucid. And also
Okay.
I'm with Funded Next.
Okay, yes. All the big ones, all the best ones.
Yep. I was looking at Take Profit Trader, but because I have no experience with them, I don't know. But there is a lot of good reviews on that one. People do like them, so I might give it a go. Let's see. Who knows what the future holds?
Yep.
All right, boys, I'm gonna go out and have a good meal with my missus. I will
Okay.
see you guys when I'm back. Well, tomorrow.
Gotcha. All right,
Oh.
gotcha.
Take
Take care,
boy.
Kate.
Take care, bro.
Take care.
See See you. See ya. See ya.
Oh boy.
How's it going?
Good, good. K left us.
Okay.
He's gone. I will say, it's like overtrading is not the best idea either. So, saving your, because, we only have so much mental capital in us. So as the day goes on, you mentally fatigue and your trading will also diminish at the same time. And there's always another trading day.
100%. 100%. The market's not going anywhere. You don't have to catch every single move. Let's see what happens for New York Open. NYSE, 10 minutes. If nothing,
It looks like we're gonna push back up.
It does, doesn't it? It does. It looks like we're gonna try and target. Looks like guys, we're gonna try and target this Monday's highs. Just looking at this now, this is forming a really nice support here. Hence why I believe this could keep pushing up to the Monday's highs.
So you are a professional plumber, yes? But do you have professional website?
And if we get there, what I would need to see there, we start to form, we consolidate and then start to form some form of lower highs, lower lows. Because sells at the moment, guys, gotta be honest, are not looking like the best play as the day has progressed. Because we've had this enormous push to the upside whilst we've been live on stream. Okay, we've taken a couple of sells, some winners, some losers of the community, mainly my loss, which was down here, immediately got stopped out, which is fine. This sell up here was break even, again, it's completely fine. So you've got to take it for what it is. Perhaps sells are not the play today, so we just adapt to what the order flow is telling us. That we know for a fact, just looking at the footprint chart. We can tell this by Bookmap as well, but we can see quite clearly on a footprint chart there are large areas of trapped sellers and heavy buys. So contextually, we're looking at this thinking, okay, well, sellers have become trapped. They've tried to push the market down, has not worked. Can the buyers now sustain this momentum and start grinding slowly higher? Looking at the context, is a good chance they probably can. But if sellers can, again, I'm talking about the 83, 84 level quite a lot because of the large buyers that we saw there at that location that perhaps could be underwater now. So what we're looking for is if we can hold below that. But I'm not going to jump into a sell. I will need to see a clean break to the targets that I was looking at before, the 71s and the 70s, pull back, and then I'll look to take it short. But at the moment, not much is convincing me to trade in either direction. What about you, Will?
Yeah, unfortunately, it's just not playing out nicely because ideally the sell would have worked out already. But since we're consolidating up against the highs, the buys aren't exactly the most value for your money.
Mm.
So do if you damned if you don't, damned if you do. And whenever we take trades, we have to make sure that we are, because the whole market works as, just one supply and demand, one auction. So you want to make sure that you're buying as cheap as you can in a uptrend and selling as expensive as you can in a downtrend.
Yeah, absolutely. You can imagine how many people are trying to buy this market now. And conversely, sell it as well. But every single one of those is going to be in an area of discomfort in the nether regions.
Yeah.
Only if we start to fall now and we get some form of pullback will I be comfortable to at risk on for a sell. Because guys, I am very conscious that the value area hasn't moved up, the POC hasn't moved up at all, so potential targets for downward moves. And of course, overall we're very bearish, so it's just adding all this, the where, the why, the what, before we start to put on risk.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you something, I'll be damn upset if we drop. and I was breaking, and I was fucking breaking. But it is what it is.
That was brutal.
It is what it is. I did think about taking that 4-handle 40 pip profit, but no, it just wasn't. Because I was thinking about getting out if we went to 83, 82, and I was in at 78 on futures, risk to reward. It would have been like barely 1-to-1.
And I completely understand because the downside target was so good. Like there's so much to retrace, so just makes sense to hold it.
Okay, guys, I'm going to see what this NYSE Open does. I just want to stay here for the NYSE Open, just observe, see what the order flow does, and then we'll call it. We'll call it a session. We've been here a while now.
Yeah.
Hopefully you got some value. If you're going to watch it back, as I said, we'll make sure we'll make sure Kay posts his trade. I'll be posting mine in the trade review section.
All right, 3 minutes for NYSE.
And we'll see what happens. But links in the description, guys. If you want to join us, you want to trade with us.
And as you can see, it's definitely a whole lot more fun trading with people than it is alone.
100%. Pardon me while I eat my chicken and rice.
Enjoy.
Man's got to keep the gains going. Okay. Let's get that music back.
Happened again last night. Took forever.
We jump from app to app, watch previews. There's still too many options.
Okay, you need Fire TV. It recommends what to watch from across your apps.
Find what you're looking for with Fire TV.
In the day, in the night, say it right, say it all.
For those of you that have been here today, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe. If you're watching after the fact, please make sure to like and subscribe. Find out when we're live. Join our free Discord.
Definitely join the Discord.
If you want to trade with us live every single day, we do have the premium execution room. Tons of educational content about order flow. My God, you'll be drowning in order flow. But we love it. For us, this is the way to trade.
Yeah, once you learn order flow, you'll quickly come to realize how superior it is to all the other forms. Alright, NYSE is open.
NYSE, don't go down. Don't go straight down. Wow. Absolutely nothing.
Well, I think it's probably going to go back towards the highs.
Mm. You might be right there, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I think I'm going to call it. Let's give it a couple more minutes, then I'll call it a day. But before we do go, I'll be I know Wall, Kay, and I will be keeping an eye on the charts and the order flow. So we'll be posting anything that we do see. Although we're coming off of YouTube, we'll be posting what we see within the Discord. So by all means, you can follow along. Never miss out. Never miss a trade. We're gonna duck into.
And also, before you head out, please show my chart, but finish up first.
Yeah, before I show Wall's chart, a bit of a sales spiel. Just please like and subscribe to the channel. Find out when we're live. Join us. I would be trying to do YouTube live streams daily this week. Try and get on before New York tomorrow. But if you never want to miss us, you must join the premium trading room on our Discord and find all the fantastic educational resources there. And yeah, hope to see you soon. I will head over to Wall's charts right now. You can
now
take us out.
Yes, let's just take us out real quick. So even though you can look at my trade history right here for today, I have roughly a exactly 50% win rate. I'm up 650 on the day, and if you look down here, it's like wins are always bigger than the losses. So it's like $300 win, $90 loss, and so forth. But that's just the way we do it, making sure we risk appropriately. Okay, that's all, Pi. That's all. Let's get out of here. Let's call it a day.
All right.
Thank you very much, Will. Yeah, manage your risk. Always make sure that those winners greatly outweigh your losses, and then you'll never be poor. All right, guys, I'm going to call it quits. Thank you so much for joining us today. Like, subscribe, join the free Discord, and then we will see you at some point tomorrow.
Peace out.